sila at binibigyan ng timeline.
Uh-huh.
What do you want to say about that?
Well, ako honestly, when I was asked if pareho kami ng character ko na si Zuri, medyo, in a way, yung mga naiisip niya, I got to think about it. Siguro when I was 29 or before I turned 30. Pero kasi na-realize ko din, you should not give yourself pressure eh. Mape-pressure ko lang if you're gonna put that in your head. So, if the more na nape-pressure kasi tayo sa mga bagay-bagay, I don't know, sometimes hindi siya dumadating. Sometimes parang it's the universe telling us to, you know what, slow down, take it easy. Parang kapag darating, if it's gonna be blessed to you at that certain time, it's gonna come. So, ako, yun yung difference namin ni Zuri. So, what I am going to tell women my age na nasa 30s na and medyo kinakabahan, ganyan, just take it easy. It's gonna come. It's gonna go to you kung sakali man. And ayun, wag masyadong ma-pressure, I think. Kasi it's the same thing that I'm experiencing right now kung sakali man. Ngayon lang meron kasi si Jeff. We got to talk about it din kasi when we went to Europe last year. I asked Jack kung after ba ng wedding, kailangan ko nang ibigay ko ano yung gusto niya kasi gusto niya na rin magka-baby. Pero meron din kasi si Jack na, ikaw, katawan mo yan eh. So, pakinggan mo kung ano yung gusto ng katawan mo. Kung ready ka na, ready ka na. If i-bless siya sa atin ni Lord, i-bless siya sa atin.
Would you